Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a nail that's lost its head. So in a perfect world, when it comes to removing nails, there's a head on there, and you can use a claw hammer like this to pull the nail out. But sometimes the head pops off, or the head just gets lost off of there as you're trying to do it. Now what do? Well, you're going to use a pair of needle nose pliers that have a cutter on there, or even just a pair of cutters simply. What you want to do is kind of dig out a little of the wood around the head of the nail so that you can either use the tip of the needle nose pliers or preferably the cutters to grab onto that nail and squeeze, and then use the prying action of the tool to pull that nail up. Now you may have to pull up a little bit and then reposition, pull up a little bit more. It may damage some of the wood, but you'll get the nail out. Coming up next, my video on how to choose a nail gun.